Hi guys, Dorota Palicka, international new artist and educator here, and today we are gonna do some unboxing. And I got this parcel from MelodySusie. I will give you an awesome discount code of 12%, and it's actually easy, Dorota 12. And I am actually curious how this light is gonna behave. So first of all, I need to unbox it. It is actually packed really well, which I'm happy about, especially when we're getting the equipment like, you know, lights, lamps, and I will probably compare it to the one which I've got it in here as well. So yeah, I'm gonna spend ages unboxing it. It's really well packed. But you can also have a nosy on my desk setup as well. As you can see it, I've got one lamp, I've got a desk organizer here, and my tools the way so I can reach everything by hand and I don't have to think twice what I'm using, like where it is. You know, like I would grab my blue scrap, UV cleanser, my prep products, my gels in the drawer, and everything is very handy. I am almost there with all this bubble wrap.
Digging for treasure.
Digging for treasure, yeah. And probably this lamp, if Olivia behaves, might end up on her desk, guys. Like, oh gosh, this is so well packed. Okay, I have digged out for a treasure. No, still not. This is actually I'm sometimes like this, packing your parcels, guys. There's no way to rip it apart. You have to actually cut it, every single piece. But that gets you more excited. Okay. Yay! I should do this part well before. Okay, another bubble wrap. This is so well packed. I am doing it for a reason now. I keep you guys all in hold. I thought it was the last one. Oh my goodness. Okay, clever thing, reuse, guys. I'm trying to reuse the things, so this will go for your parcels. I think it's a really nice bubble wrap. And this is how the lamp looks. So it's really pretty box. And here we've got some leaflets in there. But as I will give you the in the link of the description of this video to that lamp, and I will also give you a wee discount code.
Is there any way we can move the other lamp out the way?
Yes, we can. So there we are. Let's move this one. But I wanted to check it how this one is, how much light it gives me. So you've got a quite nice installation step, and I will probably need it because I will need to install this lamp. Recycling. And what I love about this, because we are in UK, I always need like an adapter, and this is pretty handy. It always comes with an adapter, and I find it it's really amazing thing. So this is a huge bonus for me. And then the length of the cables. So sometimes, depending where your actual lamp is and the plug, the cables needs to be long enough. So this one is a medium length, I would say, but it should reach me no problem. Okay. That goes in here, and I'm gonna plug it straight away in my nail disc. Oh no, done it wrong way. Because I like to hide my cables in the desk, like on the side. There we are. Okay, so it's constant with arm and the tools. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we are gonna have a fun. That is really heavy. Okay, get rid of that box. I like it because it's heavy enough, so it will need to be on that side. Then we've got a handpiece. Okay, I will try without of instruction first. So I would assume. Oh gosh, you've got a flash
Flash lamp.
cure. Okay, nice one. And this will go. It's on the magnet. Okay, that will make life easier. That should go here. Oh, okay, pretty simple setup. For me, probably this arm could be a little bit longer. That's the switch. Okay, let's put the things together. This will also give you the real time of the setup as well. It has the warm white, it has neutral white, and it has cool white, which is quite good later on, even for taking the pictures. And this is pretty decent size. I believe it has to come somewhere there. Okay, so yes, it has to go in there, and that cable has to go. It doesn't show. Oh my goodness. Olivia, I need your help. So this has to come.
Oh, I see where it goes. At the top.
This, I just don't get it.
Do you see that hole there?
Ah, I see it. I couldn't figure it out. That was the part which I couldn't figure it out. Here we are. Cheers. No.
No?
I'm not
I can't
sure.
see from here, and I don't really want to put the camera right
Yes,
in your
it
face.
It does. Here we are. Okay, we've got it. Sorted.
Woo!
Woohoo! Okay. Then,
It's a funky shape.
what is it for? So the screws come to the side, I believe.
Probably just to secure it.
Yeah, just to make it secure. Is it here? Must be here. Or from underneath as well. So one screw is there. No, oh gosh, that will be quite tough. Yeah, we've got some screws underneath. 1, 2, 3. I'm actually going to put the other light on as well. This is me doing Patrick's job. Because it's always Patrick who does those kind of things. I mean, I do help him a lot as well. I'm actually going to turn it your way, guys, so you can see it happening.
We're both doing his job today.
I know. You are a cameraman and I'm a handyman. I need to figure it out where the other ones are going. Unless they spare.
Might just be spares. Oh no,
I don't think so.
there's one more that goes at
On
the top.
Okay. Yes, I can see it. I actually didn't expect it to be such a small setup. gosh, never ending story. Come on, hurry up. Oh, I got it. Doesn't want to go anymore. At least it came with the tool. Imagine it wouldn't, like. Okay, so we got that one. And another one from the top. Oh gosh, you see me in all the awkward positions. Thanks, Olivia. Oh no. So I can't plug this one because then I cannot twist it. Okay. Don't do my mistakes. This is how you do it without of the instruction. So no, I don't want that screw to let go, but I think I have no choice. I have to let it go. Okay, I'm gonna go more clever way now and do it that way. You have to learn fast and adapt. Yeah. Then you can plug this one in. Come on, get in there. It was in. There we are. I don't want to, so always when I get the new thing, I don't want to do the things too strong. Oh, so this one comes with the, you can charge it on its own.
It's a USB-C charger.
Thank you, Olivia. And actually, I might do it. So, quite often I keep the charger in here.
There's one at my desk.
It is one on your desk because quite often, guys, oh, you can actually see it me. So I'm gonna quickly charge it, this one. I'll just keep it there. You can also see what I'm using when I'm recording in a salon, and I'm actually gonna show you where it is. So this always sits in there. Okay, when we
Don't break anything.
don't break anything. Now I have to. So yeah, this is how I kind of record. So pretty difficult task sometimes, but it's a handy way. Anyway, let's grab this plug and start the magic. So the plug goes in there, and oh wow.
It's bright.
Wow. Wow, wow. I am unbelievably impressed. Guys, this is like 10 out of 10. 11. Even 11. So another thing I need to figure it out is this part moves, which is so nice, and like I love it because what I'm usually doing is, I think I need to do another video for you as well, like grab some accessories or something and show you how I'm taking the pictures and like how I place my lamp. But gosh, this will make the pictures really nice and interesting. I should apply cuticle oil. But it can give you the light from all the different angles, and also look how pretty this set is. Excuse my cuticles, they have been so dry. I didn't moisturize them, but it makes them so pretty. Okay, so I'm loving this part, and now there is a part which is adjustable here as well, and I think here. There we are. Okay, I am in love. And you can change. I am actually in love. So this cable will go underneath it here, so it's not going to disturb me. I think this is pretty, like those little things are really important, honestly, so important. And then, because I need to keep my nail wipes, there we are, it actually goes together. No, because that's the flash cure. I'm not going to use that thing, probably. I just wanted to test it. Maybe it has to be there. Yes, it has. Okay, so it's charging from here as well. This is even better. Okay, fantastic. Anyway, my wipes can go in here. My hand sanitizer goes in here. Blue scrub and UV cleanser, and they never change, so they are also against the desk, which is so helpful because I just grab the wipe, so I don't look at it. I grab the wipe, UV cleanser to remove the inhibition layer, blue scrub to dehydrate the nail plate, and this is also my forms and the things. So a good stuff about it is it doesn't disturb my view. It doesn't disturb my product placement. If I'm blind, I can go even this close. And it has different settings, so let me figure it out. This will be just okay. On the top, you change if it's a warm white, natural white, or a cool white. I quite like the cool white, but cool white can be quite tiring for your eyes. But my position for this would be here, change it to the strongest. That's the lightest. So depending how strong you want, and even better, it has this, oh my goodness, how shiny they are. It has those wee spotlight, like, so it's really concentrate. Wow. Can I see your hand? Swap over. This is actually impressive. I'd honestly give this lamp 10 out of 10 because it's fantastic. Well done, MelodySusie, and thank you for sending it out for me so I could show it to you guys. And I need to show you actually, just in comparison, the previous one I had it. So I was scared, like, because of the length, but as you can see it, this one doesn't give any light. So the light is here, while here I've got it that distance. So this one is much longer and it goes rounded shape, which is fantastic as well. Let me turn this one on and switch off this one. Oh gosh. Olivia. Oh my goodness. Can you see it actually in the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, this is crazy. The only thing is I need to figure it out if there's like a fast switch on. But okay, so this one, that's just the spotlight. Oh my goodness. I am so in love. Anyway, this is crazy. Like, it is absolutely crazy, the difference in between those lights. This one doesn't give actually any light. Wow.
Maybe you weren't blind, it was the lamp the whole time.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Anyway, I hope guys you have really enjoyed this video. You didn't mind me in this awkward position, like, and everything, but as always I'm trying to be as much honest about my reviews, and this lamp is amazing, absolutely amazing. Sending you huge glittery hugs and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.